Good afternoon, professors, TAs, and fellow watchers. My name is Russell, and representing Group RNG, this is our application Car Park Near You demo video. To start off, let's just say that you are a user who have recently discovered the wonders of the application and want to explore its functionalities. You can start off by logging into the web page and registering for account by clicking here. And now we can input the user elements inside. The password here will also show you the requirements in order for it to be accepted into the database. And here we can answer the security questions. And with that, we can register for an account. So let's just say that you have a goldfish memory and completely forgot the password. Well, not to worry. By entering your password into this form here, you will be able to reset your password. A link will be sent and you can access it through your mail. As you can see, we will be able to click on the link here, which is also sent by our Gmail account. From here, we can re-enter the password once again with a new password that you can remember. And with that, we'll be able to update our password. With our registered account, we can now log in into our application. So as you can see here, this is our index page, which will showcase the map, which will be able to find the car parks which are nearby our location. At the moment, NTU does not have any registered car parks nearby. So in order to find our car parks, there are two methods to accomplish this task. First is to move the marker to a nearby location. Once dragging it down, the available car parks will be shown alongside the number. The second way is also to locate them through the search bar on the top left of the application. So if I were to click Hougang, for example, the location will jump and I will be able to see my nearby car parks. With the tabs shown here, you are able to click on the application and it will show you the more detailed information of the car parks with their address names, their car park rates, and the type of car park. And below here is the nearby car park tab as well, which also showcases the nearby car parks that are within the vicinity. As you can see, there is a click button of a go here, which will redirect you to the car park location as shown on the map above. With our nearby car parks and their following details generated above, the next function I will show you is to return to the original location where we are situated in at the moment, which is NTU, as shown here. Before I continue, I'd like to show you the two other pages that we have. First is the favorites page, which is to favorite the car park, and the recent history page. You may notice that there's some data generated here already, but we will get back to that later. Moving back to the index page, I'd like to drag the location to one of the places here, and favorite two locations at the moment with nearby car parks, as you can see. We will get to those later on the favorite function. Now, moving on to the nearby car park statistics, I would like to generate a graph below here. I will explain it after this because the graph takes a minute to generate. However, for the above nearby car park statistics statuses, as you can see here, we will be able to identify our available car park lots that are shown on the bar chart and the pie chart here. Furthermore, the graphs are also dynamically generated if I were to, for example, move the location to another place. However, I will show that once I have shown you the car park generated data here. So as you can see, the line graph here showcases a 12-hour time period of the car park numbers that were in between from 5 AM to 5 PM. This number can be changed with 24 hours and 48 hours. Now, moving back to the dynamically generated graphs, I am going to change my location to Hougang. And I would like to favorite a nearby car park from Heartland Mall. And as you can see, our nearby car park statistics has successfully been changed as shown here. Moving on to the next functionalities, we will go to the favorites page. So as you can see here, as stated earlier, we had managed to favorite a total of 3 car parks, 2 from Clementi and 1 from Hougang. And as you can see on the map here, they are showcased island-wide. We are also able to teleport directly to the car parks that we favored, as you can see with the location on the map above. And we are also able to unfavorite them, hence removing them from the map in totality. The next functionality I'd like to show you is the recent histories tab. So as shown earlier, when clicking on a map tab, car tab, the history will essentially be saved inside this section of the page. There are 3 functionalities that you can do, is to click go as well, which will send you back to the map location as shown here. You are also able to delete this history, and you're also able to delete its entirety of its history. With these functionalities out of the way, we would like to showcase our secondary functions, which is our profile page. So this profile page here showcases the information that we had used to register into our account earlier. There are 3 functionalities in play here. The first is to manage profile or to change user information. If I were to, for example, change my name from Jesse Payment to Walter White and my mobile number to 88 and I update my profile, we will be able to successfully update it. The second functionality is to change the passwords, and that is done by inputting the 3 security question answers that we had stipulated earlier. And when we submit the answers, we will be able to change our password. So now I will showcase you how it works. And just like the register function, user interface also checks for the passwords requirements before submitting it. With that out of the way, we will finally be able to move on to our one of our last functionalities, which is to delete its account in its totality, in the event that the user does not wish to continue using car park near you in the future. With our account successfully deleted, we would like to showcase an alternate timeline. For example, if the user had not wished to create the account in the first place, instead just wants to utilize the bare functionalities of car park near you. As such, he will be able to click on continue as guest. And as showcased here, just like our index page in the members tab, you can also showcase the different car parks that are near you. As you can see here with the nearby car parks location. Notice the heart shape function is not here. When you click on go, you will also be able to generate the car park location. You're also able to search for the location. And last but not least, jump back to the original location. And with that, we have come to the end of our presentation.